Para po siyang ano, sir.
Every round, dahil ko sa amin. Every year, hindi siya ganyan.
Six students of the Quezon City University Robotics team won the Philippine VEX Robotics National Championship. In recognizing this outstanding achievement, CHED Secretary De Vera awarded medals of excellence and TES and TDP grants to QCU robotics team members. The team will compete against over 100 universities from around the world in the VEX University category. QCU Robotics team designed and programmed robots to compete in the VEX skill challenges, including rapid relays and high stakes, and design challenges.
For our QCU Robotics team who will be competing in the VEX Robotics competition in Dallas, Texas this May, we have actually provided them with an enabling environment. The enabling environment was made possible through the support of the Commission on Higher Education and UNIFAST for providing them the materials and the training hours. No? Part of the enabling environment is also the support of the faculty members as well as the coaching, no? And their exposure to all of these competitions.
Sa mga aspiring students out there who also want to join these kinds of competitions, be sure na ipursue nyo yung mga gusto nyo. The more na mas passionate ka sa ginagawa mo, mangyayari yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari in the future.
Kami po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat po sa natanggap namin financial assistance from CHED, UNIFAST, TES, financial assistance. Isa po itong malaking tulong lalo na po sa panahon po natin ngayon na magagamit po namin sa aming pag-aaral. Sa mga aspiring po na mga gusto rin na pumasok sa robotics and natatakot po kayo is I would advise na mag-try po kayo and huwag kayong makatakot, and kitang-kita naman po na very supportive po ng ating government, and basta po tuloy-tuloy lang natin, may mga magsusupport po sa atin para po maabot po natin yung mga gusto natin. Yan
ang sinasabi ni Presidente ngayon, paano padamihin yung pupunta sa STEM. So kailangan malaman anong enabling environment sa elementary at high school na kailangan gawin para dumami yung STEM students, dumami yung pumunta sa engineering and science courses.